Hawaii's Kilauea volcano is still threatening Big Island after more than a month of continuous eruption has seen swathes of land covered in lava. Who owns the new land Kilauea has created? Hawaii's Kilauea volcano continues to spew lava and, as the eruption looks set to enter its third month, there is no end in sight. Channels established from the volcano's summit are flowing into the ocean nearby, creating a hazardous lace gas which can irritate people's eyes, noses and lungs. The volcano has also been spotted creating gems in volcanic glass named Pele's hair. As lava flow covers significant portions of Kapoho Bay on the island, flows of viscous magma are creating new land. Kilauea's constant stream of lava has so far added 120 acres of new land to Hawaii's Big Island, and expansion is expected to continue. While the newest outcrop from Kapoho Bay cools, there remains the question of who the new land will belong to. The young volcanic land will either belong to the state or will become federal land. Land formed within the boundaries of the national park is destined to become federal land, while land formed outside of the park will become state land. How much of Big Island is now covered in lava? Kilauea has now spewed more than 25 million cubic meters of lava, enough to fill 100,000 Olympic swimming pools while filling a new one every 25 seconds. The lava now covers 61,000 acres of Big Island, which is still growing due to lava flow. Big Island is the largest of the Hawaiian Islands. At 2,577,920 acres, this means Kilauea's lava covers roughly 4.2% of the whole island. The outcrop of land created by the eruption currently juts out into the ocean by almost 1 mile. In comparison, the last eruption from Kilauea in 1960 added a further 2 square kilometers to the land. Where are the hazard zones on Big Island? Big Island authorities have placed most areas near the volcano under heavy warning, dishing out fines to people who attempt to bypass barriers or take photos. Each volcano on Big Island has its own hazard zone, which maps where threats such as lava and debris are likely to land. At the moment, Kilauea has a number of zones declared uninhabitable where farmland and homes have been lost. Kapoho area, including Kapoho beach lots, are all now covered in lava, and thousands of people have been displaced as a result.
It's a crack in the road. And so what we're looking at here is a fountain of lava feeding a lava flow that's traveling mainly to the south, away from us. And you can see that here is the height of these two fountains. So we can compare it with last night, and that'll perhaps pin down an effusion rate for this system, and just to be able to monitor the evolution of the fountain through time. We also really want to be able to see if we can measure the progress of the flow front here to see if it's moving northward in this direction at all. But it looks like, we were here last night looking down this driveway, and it looks like the flow really hasn't progressed too much in this northward direction. So that's a positive. We really want things to be able to flow south towards the ocean rather than towards the suburb with all of the houses.